Here's a vision. One Levo website that shows how design decisions translate into a published site. From bold hero sections to structured content blocks, everything is reusable and scalable. Keep this image in mind. It's the destination we're building toward together. By now, you've learned how to design, build, optimize, and launch a complete website in Levo. In this module, we'll cover the ideal Figma to Levo workflow and common mistakes to avoid. One of the most common questions designers have is, should they design in Figma first or directly in Levo? The answer depends on what you're building. When to use Figma? Figma is best used when creating rough layouts. Think of Figma as your thinking and planning tool. Use it when you're not sure about the direction yet. When to use Levo? Levo is where your ideas come to life. You should design directly in Levo when your structure is clear, you want to move fast, you're building real, functional pages, or you want to test ideas live. In traditional design, designers stop at mockups. But with Levo, you design and publish your website without help of developers. This means faster execution, real-time feedback, and better design decisions based on actual data. Now let's look at some common mistakes designers make and how to avoid them. Many designers try to customize everything from scratch. Instead of starting from scratch, you can start with blocks. Customize this blocks only where needed, like image and content changes. Can reuse the same blocks as components. Next mistake designers do is not using themes early. Means some designers jump into building pages without setting up themes. This causes inconsistent colors, inconsistent spacing, manual fixes later, and more rework. To avoid this, always set your theme styles first, like setting up color system, finalize font style, setting up typography for all 3 devices. Customize your button styles properly for all buttons, and fixing padding for all 3 devices. Last is that keep the animation subtle. Animation is powerful, but easily abused. Never animate everything. Only animate the elements you want the user to look at immediately. Like this hero section text, I want user to look at this content as soon as the page loads. Levo also offers beautiful ready-made templates that you can use instead of starting from scratch with blocks. When you click on Create Page, you'll see a list of templates built in Levo. Also, you have different categories as well. You can explore these templates and choose the one that best suits your website. For example, I'm selecting this one. Now, you'll see an option to include the navbar and footer from the template. If you want them, simply enable this option. Otherwise, click on Use Template. Then you can name the page, select page type, and also page URL. After that, click on Create. Now you'll be redirected to the studio, and it will set up a page for you. Here, you can edit the template however you want, also add your own navbar and footer in the page. This approach is much easier than starting from scratch with blocks. You can also convert your page into a template. To do that, on the listing page screen, select page you want to convert into template, like this one. Then, click on the 3-dot menu and select Make Template. Then, you can select which blocks you want to keep same as this page, which means what changes you will apply to the page will automatically apply to the template. Select the blocks accordingly. Once you select it, click on Create Template, and your page will now be saved as a template. And you can find it under the Templates section below Studio Pages. So, templates help you start faster and design more efficiently. At this point, you've learned how to design with themes, how to build with blocks, how to scale with collections, grow with the blogs and event, how to optimize with insights, and launch your website. Levo is not just a design tool. It's a complete growth platform. Instead of juggling tools or waiting on developers, you now know how to assemble and customize pages exactly how you envision them. Thank you for joining this course. Now it's your turn to start building. Experiment, explore, and create without limits. Thank you for watching. What are you waiting for? Make your brand go live with Levo.